The Amazon rainforest is home to several different species of birds, one of which is the silver-throated tanager. The silver-throated tanager belongs to the family of the Tropidae. They mostly inhabit the mossy forest, the mountain forest, and the secondary forests of Costa Rica, Panama, Colombia, Ecuador, and Peru. They can be found in elevations up to 1,800 meters above sea level. The silver-throated tanager is omnivorous in nature. As they fly through the jungles of the Amazon, they mostly feed on small fruits, insects, and spiders. Breeding usually begins from April to September each year, and at maturity, the adults can grow to a length of about 13 centimeters long, and they can weigh up to 22 grams. The silver-throated tanager have a lifespan of about 4 to 6 years in the wild.